Okay, so welcome to our English class, LTC English Training for Kids, but it's online class. So today we are going to discuss play a game about COVID-19 vaccine, myths or facts and facts. So this game, yeah, just go directly to the game. So statement number one, game number one. Consideration, bahan pertimbangan. Okay, so a vaccine, sebuah vaksin, usually takes more than 10 years to develop like that. Okay, so biasanya a vaccine takes more than 10 years to develop. I'm pretty sure you understand this. Okay, let's move to the statement. So we start from statement A. You're gonna choose, is it a fake? Is it a myth or fact? Okay, statement A. Wait a minute. I read it for you.
Come on. Gue udah siap.
Alright, just put it here.
Hi.
COVID vaccine is not safe because it was developed too quickly. It's like 10 months, around 10 months. Okay, so I give you 1 minute, okay, to find the answer. You can use Google, or you can use your logic in the internet. Okay, 1 minute. So I'm gonna pause the recording while you are trying to find. All right, now
You're not start the time.
yeah, start your answer now. Just put M or F on your scoreboard. Or A first.
The left
A,
is
A, A,
F.
A.
It's miss. Yeah, A is miss.
A on the left side, B on the right side. In your scoreboard.
Yeah.
Alright, Fajria, just answer.
Like that.
A on your left side and B on your left side. A, it means
Like that.
you think this is a
That's
fact.
what I say.
You think this is a fact.
Yes.
And B, right side, just answer it.
No. I think A is a myth.
For example, if
and
I
B
play
is a fact.
as Aiko, for example, I'm going to answer like this. Oh, sorry. Why? Okay, time is up. So if you
I
don't answer,
already say.
you don't get points, guys. Okay? I'm sorry. Live start. All right. Let's reveal the answer.
Pasti benar gua.
So
Yes, I'm right. I right.
yeah. So myth: COVID vaccine is not safe because it was developed too quickly. So this is a myth. Okay. And the fact: COVID vaccine is safe, even though it was developed too quickly. Before I explain you what's the reason, sebelum Sir Marco jelaskan apa alasannya, I'm going to ask you the reason first, okay? I wanna listen to your opinion first. I think start from Dimas because Dimas was the right one. Okay, good job Dimas. I give you
My
2
opinion
points.
is.
1.
My opinion is.
Yeah, your
In my
opinion.
brand,
Oh,
I'm
wait.
thinking like-
We don't turn our cameras on. So turn our cameras on first. Nyalakan kameranya.
Bro.
Alright, Dimas.
So
3 points.
What?
What's the reason do you think COVID vaccine is safe, even though it was only developed 10 months?
because and I think in my brain in lab they will make some trial like that, and they do it to animals and then they adaptation to human like that. That's what I say.
Okay,
Say.
I give no problem 3. 1, 2, 3. I really appreciate about your opinion. So they have tested the vaccine to animals first, well, and then also
Yeah.
they did trials to a lot of volunteers, like that. Okay. So, what about Fajria? Fajria, don't worry, you get one. So what's the reason you think COVID vaccine is unsafe? It's not safe because it's probably only 10 months being developed. Why do you think?
Because I think if it's not,
Yeah.
I think that if the vaccine is not usually takes more than 10 years to develop, I think it's not safe because they aren't they didn't do much.
Yeah, it's too rushed. Seperti buru-buru. And as we know, rushing something is not gonna be good. Okay, no problem. Even though you get, I'm gonna give you what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, good opinion.
Wait.
So guys, according to what I read on the internet, okay, even though, so this is the fact, even though COVID vaccine was developed so fast, but it passed a lot of a lot of trials already. It passed a lot of clinical trials. So even though it's fast, it's actually safe, and we're gonna find out why it's safe on this on next lessons, okay? Because if I explain everything, you're gonna know later.
Oh, lu mesti ke toilet ya?
Okay, and another reason, because this is a global crisis. So like all of the doctors, all of the professors, they work so hard to beat this virus. That's why it's really safe. It's really fast. Okay. All right, next. See the consideration. So next consideration. So vaccine. A vaccine is also. Oh yeah, guys. You know, actually the vaccine is a weakened virus or microbe. It's actually a virus. So vaccine is actually virus, but the weakened one. You know weakened yang sudah dilemahkan. Jadi vaksin itu
Jadi
sebenarnya.
kita melawan virus menggunakan virus.
Yeah, just like that. Nah, tapi
With
this
bro.
vaksin ini, it's not so strong enough to kill you. It's only to trigger your antibody. Hanya untuk men-trigger, memicu antibody kalian bekerja. So later, if this for example COVID vaccine. So next time COVID is going to invade your body, you already have the antibody to repel the virus. That's it. Okay?
Jadi vaksin itu
Yeah, that's it.
ini adalah virus
That's why some of the people
yang lemah,
they are afraid.
yang bisa melawan virus yang kuat.
Beberapa orang mereka takut divaksin
How?
because they know some of the vaccines, some types of vaccines are actually weakened microbe or virus. Adalah virus atau mikroba yang sudah dilemahkan. Yang penting dia tidak bisa membunuh kamu, but it can trigger your antibody to work and save the information about the virus. So next time if the virus is going to infect you, your antibody knows already. Oh, ini COVID, guys. You cannot get it. Get out, for example, like that. Okay? Okay, let's see the statement. Next statement. And you choose.
Jadi ini gunanya untuk ngecek COVID doang. My brain.
Alright.
I'm too
A
stupid
and
to
B.
thinking about this.
I read it to you and I think this is it. So A,
Come on, I love
COVID-19 vaccine cannot protect you. And B, you can get COVID-19 from a vaccine. As you know, the vaccine is the weakened version of virus. So some people
Wait, sir.
they say COVID vaccine cannot protect you, and some people also say you can get COVID-19 from a vaccine, like on the consideration before, because vaccine is also virus, but the weakened one. So I'll give you 1 minute. We pause the video.
It's me.
Now 1 minute to
Bro,
decide
apa ada vaksin
which-
kalau
which is
misalnya nggak guna?
fact and which is
Right.
myth.
Miss, all of it, miss. I'm not trust this all. Fuck
Alright,
off.
Agus, A is fact, B is myth. Kesia,
Yes.
25 seconds left. Hurry up.
This is so much
something.
hard.
Oh no, kejar. Kepencet.
Alright, time is up. Let's reveal the answer.
Please, I know.
It's
I know.
Yeah, Kesia,
A.
put your answer here. Kesia. Hurry up.
Uh,
Before I reveal the answer.
what should I write?
F or
F?
M?
On the left side. On the left
Fact
side,
or miss?
A. On the right side, B. You decide. F for fact, M for myth.
Mitos. I love it, mitos. I know. I'm too
For
smart.
example, if I
I'm
think
too smart.
A is a fact,
Come on.
if
Come
I
on.
go, for example, like this,
Come
I'm
on.
gonna,
Come on.
oh, this is fact. B, oh, I think that's a myth. I'm gonna put like this. You get a point, Casey? If you don't
Just
answer,
F.
I'm sorry, you
Okay.
cannot get points.
Just F. Hey, don't use blue. Why you use blue? Because
Yeah, try to use red, Casey. Gunakan red. So,
oh my god.
I can see your answer. Fajra, can you use red also? Later?
Odero.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ya nih,
So B is a fact. Kesia, what about A?
Oh, wait, no.
Hurry up.
Expose
Okay,
semuanya.
done. So I'm pretty sure you know how to play now, Kesia, okay? Let's reveal
Review.
the
Dimas
answer.
MM.
Hey! Tetot!
Who?
Only Agus,
What?
only Dimas was the right one.
Yes!
No problem, you get points.
What I say?
Kesia, 1. Fajria, 1.
Good at this game, bro.
Sorry. Fajria, 1.
Gonna beat me.
Agus, 1 also.
Get one please. Get one
Two for
please.
Okay, we asked Dimas first. Dimas, why did you think both of the statements were or are myths?
For A, why do you make vaccine that cannot protect you?
That's it.
That's useless.
It's not vaccine, it means, right? How about B?
Yeah, that's not vaccine. B, because vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine adalah that virus that get weakened, so it cannot get COVID because COVID is a powerful virus, right?
Yeah, because that's
That's what I think.
I like your statement. I give you 4.
Boom,
1,
big
2,
brain.
3,
High score.
Brain nih.
4.
Wah,
Okay,
wah,
good job.
brain sabar.
Hopefully,
Mesti pakai-
Dimas, you can be doctor and you cure my sickness. Okay?
Salad
In the
darah
future.
aja muntah. Salad darah aja.
You
Bro.
help me when I have problem with my health, like financial health. Dompet saya sakit, nanti Dimas yang bantu. Okay?
Itu berbeda. Itu beda.
Oh wait.
itu beda.
Next, Fajria. Why do you think this is a myth?
Woo, I'm too smart.
Why did
I'm
you
too
think
smart.
this is a myth?
Can
Sorry.
fight me.
Because
Why did you think this is a fact? Why did you
malah
think
hapus.
this is a fact, Fajria?
because COVID-19 vaccine just make our antibody woken up but it's not protecting us.
Oh,
so
yeah.
the one who is protecting
makes
us
sense
is
also.
antibody.
Okay, wait a minute.
Brain
So I
dua,
give
gua
1, 2,
brain.
3 also to Fajri. Kesia, why
Brain.
did you think this is a fact
I have a
before?
big brain.
Why did you think this is a fact before?
A
Kesia, Kesia.
big. I have a big brain. But
Kesia, 3, 2, 1. Hurry up. Alright, Kesia is not responding. Agus,
big,
Agus, why did you think this one
big.
is a fact? Kenapa kamu pikir A is a fact? Why did you think
Dia salah jawab.
this one is a fact?
That's a fact.
I messed up. I think. Wait, where another? I think this is safe. I think this is safe.
You think this one protect
I think this is safe.
safe? That's why.
Safe. That's why I put in Ace the fake.
Okay, I appreciate, but you get 2 only. No problem, guys.
Aha. Big brain.
Okay, yeah.
Brrr.
Both are myths, guys.
Smart.
COVID vaccine,
Too smart. Look
yeah,
at that,
literally
my brain.
cannot protect you,
Brain.
but it help you to get your immunity. So without vaccine, your antibody cannot protect your body yet.
Wow,
That's
my
why
snap camera
we
is
need
not
vaccine to trigger our antibody, antibody to know. Oh, this. So COVID-19 is like this, like they receive in vaccine. So in the future, when COVID-19 is going to invade our body, infect our body,
So much big brain.
our antibody
Papa, I
already
cukup
knows,
sarapin.
recognize. Oh, this is COVID. Bangsat.
Too
Get
smart.
him out of our body, for example, like that. Okay, that's it, guys. The story of vaccine. Okay, next, listen
Smart.
to the consideration.
No one
So
can
antibody
fight me. Gua
and
nggak pakai
immunity.
Google nih.
So you can get immunity from a virus if your antibody wins fighting them. Okay, this is fact. Ini fakta as consideration. You can get
Yeah,
immunity.
that's
Kalian
fact.
bisa mendapatkan
I know.
immunity is like kekebalan atas a particular virus or bacteria.
Oh,
If your antibody, kalau
I
antibody
know.
kalian menang, win, fighting them.
So,
Antibody
we
kalian,
cannot. We
kalian
can
bisa
get
mendapatkan
immunity,
antibody
but
dari
we
virus
have
atau
to
bakteri
fight
tertentu.
virus.
Kalau mereka menang, kalau mereka kalah,
Oh,
you're dead.
that's why
you are
they use vaccine the
dead.
virus. Oh,
That's it. That's
now
why they
I
use
know.
vaccine. Okay, this is the consideration. So let's see
Coba direbus.
the statement A and B. So A, people who healed naturally from COVID-19 still need vaccine. Orang yang
Nah.
secara natural tanpa vaksin sembuh dari COVID-19 tidak butuh vaksin lagi. And B, people who healed naturally from COVID-19, orang yang sembuh secara natural dari COVID-19. Oh, sorry. Ini masih membutuhkan, still need. Orang yang sembuh still need
Oh, ini masih
vaccine.
membutuhkan dan ini enggak.
Orang yang
Berarti ini jawabannya
Sembuh.
nggak mungkin sama.
tidak perlu vaksin lagi.
Berarti,
Oke? Wait.
oke.
Ini masih membutuhkan, still need.
Dimas,
Kalau ini
use
do
your
not
brain.
need. Oke, yang sudah sembuh secara natural, healed naturally. Oke, I give you 1
I'm
minute
gonna use my
to
brain.
Google. Okay, and we're gonna be back. You need to understand.
Yakin jawabanku benar,
Myths or
yakin. Yakin.
All right. 1 minute
Okay, I
to
just
answer.
found out
1
in
minute
the
to answer.
Google.
1 minute to put your answer. 1 menit untuk
I already answer. We all already answer.
jawaban kalian. Fact or myth? A, B.
Oh my god.
I
Untuk sering baca TNN.
Jangan dulu jawab.
A is
Don't
Sering
answer yet.
baca.
Just put, just like this. F
Sir,
or M like that.
A is a fact.
Put it, just put it, just put
A
it,
is a
just
fact.
put it.
B is a myth. Like that.
No.
Yeah, I mean, I'm asking which one is fact and myth. I forgot.
Which one is fact?
F is fact.
So
M
A,
is myth.
you still need vaccine, even though you healed from COVID already. But B,
I mean, I'm asking, is A a fact or myth, or B? Like,
We answer.
which one is fact? Which one
We
is fact and
answer.
myth?
no, you need to decide. Kamu yang
Decide,
tentukan. A is fact or myth, or B is fact or myth. Like this.
Kita tebak.
MF or FM. Like that.
Me. I right. Mau bener.
Ready?
Kita. Please.
Alright. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay, that's it.
Come on, Xiaomi.
Let's reveal, ladies and gentlemen. Let me erase
Show.
all of this.
Come on,
So
show
Kesia,
me,
you think
show me.
both of these are facts? Okay, let's reveal.
Wait, no. No.
Alright.
Yes! Big brain!
Big brain.
Huh?
The answer is,
I'm so much good. at
even
this
though
thing.
you healed naturally from COVID-19, you still need to get vaccinated. I'm gonna tell you the reason later, after I ask you your opinion.
Me! I know
And
the reason.
myth.
The vaccine is much stronger than our body immune response.
Okay, that's
No.
Kesia.
I know.
Okay, I ask Kesia first. Why do you think FM? Fact? This one is fact, or why did you think?
I think it's a fact because the thing that I found in Google,
Yeah, you found
although
in Google.
researchers aren't sure whether a vaccine or the infection itself produce the stronger immune response, one thing is clear, the vaccine is far safer.
Okay, so you still need vaccine because vaccine is
Yeah.
gonna make sure that everything's gonna be all right for you and the other people, right? Like that. Okay, I give you 3 points for that.
Sir, I forget. Berita bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
News. Okay.
Oh,
News.
yeah, I
Next.
right.
Fajria, you have something to say?
Me? Not me. Okay, not me. Okay, good job.
Hopefully it's not
Good job,
COVID.
bener loh.
Okay, Fajria.
Hopefully
Why
it's
did-
COVID.
Why MF? Why this is myth?
Because I think the people
They don't need-
who held naturally from COVID-19, they
They already
didn't
have.
Okay, wait, I saw
need
it
the
filled.
vaccine because their antibody is already knows
Kenapa
what
selalu
COVID-19
mengingat
is, so
hal yang tidak penting.
they
Dibanding
don't
mengingat hal yang
really
penting
need
seperti
it.
Matematika.
Okay,
Why?
that was the same as what I thought before. Sama persis seperti yang sering aku pikir. Why do we need vaccine?
New high
Kalau
school.
Hey boy,
sudah sembuh dari COVID. But
come
yeah,
on, me,
the fact-
please.
you still need it.
Come on.
You still need the vaccine. Okay, the last one. Dimas, you were
Malah gak
you're right.
ditanya.
You are correct.
Ya.
What did you read from the internet? Or what's
I
your
didn't-
opinion?
I didn't read from internet. I use my brain. I see
Asadap.
when I see news.
He uses his brain, guys.
News.
And usually he doesn't use it, bro.
Oh no, I see it on the Corbuzier podcast when someone say like ada yang bilang someone say people who get COVID-19 cannot get COVID-19 again, but it's myth. It's a myth. Itu mitos.
Oh
Dan
yeah.
he get COVID-19 again,
You're
and
right.
I know whom. So this is a myth and this is a fact. I know.
Okay, I think I don't have to explain that anymore. Good job. So 3, 2, 1, close the door. Dimas, 1, 2, 3.
Makanya sering nonton YouTube.
So that's it, guys.
Oh,
It's-
okay.
Yeah, you have healed already,
So
but
much
yeah,
pride.
like actually the recent news, we have new variant of COVID-19. Kita punya varian baru COVID-19, and it's gonna be dangerous. Okay, if you don't get vaccinated, because we will never be sure if we can masih belum pasti guys. This is the fact. It's not sure that belum terbukti that people who get healed naturally from COVID-19 are safe. So, if you want to be more safer, it's better to get the vaccine. That's it. All right. Next consideration. So a patient in AstraZeneca COVID vaccine trial. So AstraZeneca is one of the company that develops a vaccine of COVID-19. Died in Brazil. Oke? Yang percobaan ini fakta. Percobaan COVID of AstraZeneca in Brazil tewas. You can easily find the answer in Google later.
Nice.
So this is the fact. Memang tewas guys. Percobaan COVID. Alright. The statements. A.
Dokternya kena
The
setrum.
victim died not because of the vaccine. Orang itu mati karena bukan vaksin.
What?
Myth or fact? The vaccine
Myth, sir.
was not made to kill people. B.
Myth, sir.
Vaksin
It's a myth.
dibuat bukan untuk membunuh orang. Jadi tidak perlu khawatir, for example.
Wait, sir.
So you decide.
I must.
It's myth.
Fact
It's
or myth?
myth.
1 minute.
Wait.
1 minute.
It's not precise time.
Try to Google.
Wait.
Try to Google 1 minute about this news
Brain.
tentang
Google.
berita ini. AstraZeneca
Come on,
COVID
jangan
vaccine
dulu.
trial. Try to Google it.
Sir,
1 minute.
Sir,
1 minute to decide whether
cannot decide,
fact or
but
myth, myth or
if you
myth,
want
or
me-
fact or fact, or myth or fact. A and B.
I think this.
Sir, I think the victim died not because of the vaccine is the fact. It's a fact.
You must draw. You
And
must
the
draw.
vaccine and the vaccine was not to kill people is the fact.
Farha, you need to.
Farah, you need to write down on your
What is-
scoreboard. Where is your scoreboard?
Write in your
Farha.
scoreboard.
Oh, this one. So use blue color like this. So if you think A is a fact, F it means, right? What about B?
Yes.
What do you think B is? Fact or myth?
Myth, sir, myth.
Myth. Okay. So
Because-
like this.
Because
This is your answer,
vaccine
right?
is myth. Okay.
Okay, that's it. All right, let's check the answer.
Wait,
Kita
I have
check.
an answer.
Oh, all right.
I already answer. Wait up, Tisha. Bro!
Okay, let me help you guys. F and M, right?
Astaga.
F.
Dari
And
kebesaran tuh.
No, her.
Can you
her
please
phone
stop
is-
laughing at people?
Her phone
No,
is too
no,
small,
look at the
probably.
chat.
Oh, let's check the.
Kayaknya saya salah dengar deh. Gak tau deh. The hell.
Okay, both are facts, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, students.
What?
Both are facts. So, Fajria,
No, I'm supposed
good
to
job.
SF.
1, 2.
What?
But the other.
No, gue udah mikir gini. Ini antara
Finally!
What? Wait, what?
MF atau
What?
enggak FF.
And
Bro!
Zikra, Alfi, guys. Oh, Alfi. Zikra, you need to answer if you want to get
The
point.
victim died not because of the vaccine. Oh, bro.
Alright,
Uh,
to make it faster,
lihat
let me
awal
explain
kopi
about this.
gua,
Okay?
awal
So
kopi
both are
gua,
facts.
tadi dia
Because
FF,
first,
sekarang
the victim
FF.
died not because of vaccine. Okay? The victim
I
died
check
because of
this.
placebo.
I
I'm gonna
check
explain
in
what
the video.
placebo later.
You say the
Okay.
vaccine was meant
Yeah,
to
the
kill
victim
people. I check
died not because of vaccine. That's also fact. So the victim died
Gua ngeliat
because
soalnya
another
baik.
drug. Dia meninggal karena obat yang lain, bukan vaksin. And B is a fact
I thought
because yeah,
the victim
vaccine
died
is not
because
to kill
of the
people, it's
vaccine. There's
to
no
kill
not,
microorganism
bro.
or virus. That's why it's fact.
I thought there's no not in there, bro. What the hell? Oke, gue jawab N. Astaga.
Alright. So
Good
placebo
job, guys.
is
Disregard.
a medication Placebo adalah medication usually just to make you happy. It's not the real medication. It's not the real drug. Hanya obat yang bikin kalian senang. So you're gonna think that you are being treated, while actually it's not treating you scientifically or real medication. It just treat your brain. Hanya mengobati otak kalian saja biar kalian senang. Oh, saya sudah diobati, yes, like that. But it's not actually the real medication. So it's called placebo. How can I explain? Let me explain bahasa Indonesia. Jadi obat
Kalian
ini
aja dikasih obatnya
obat
langsung,
yang
astaga.
bukan sebenarnya obat yang asli. Mereka bilang, oh ini obat kamu akan diobati biar kalian senang, biar psikologi kalian tidak tertekan. Kalau kalian sudah senang, tubuh itu lebih tidak stres, jadi tubuh lebih gampang untuk sembuh. Usually like that. Jadi itu hanya mengobati psikologi kalian.
Obatin 2 kali.
No. According to my opinion, menurut pendapat Sir, they use placebo. Okay, so they may know also
Ikutan lama-lama,
the
sumpah.
physics, the psychological effect in COVID-19 treatment. Nah, yang terjadi di sini mungkin si orangnya ketika diberikan placebo bukan senang, tapi malah stres. That's why he died. Nah, di situ that's why this is one of the reasons we need to learn about this lesson. Karena kebanyakan orang sebelum divaksin, mau divaksin malah takut bukan senang. You understand? Well, you have to be happy because you are going to be healthy actually.
Tunggu.
And it's usually
Orang itu
mempengaruhi psikologis orang juga. Kalau kalian mau
Orang
diobati
itu
tapi malah takut, bisa
karena
jadi bahaya
dia
sebenarnya.
stres dan
Oke?
takut. Karena
get the point?
ditaruh placebo. What the-
So,
Dunia ini makin hancur.
pay attention to the
dalam-
lesson biar kalian bisa mengerti. Setidaknya tidak dibodohi oleh hoax di internet. Just like that, okay?
As a question. Bah, nah.
Alright, let's move to next consideration. So, a microchip can help humans in medication. Microchip bisa membantu manusia
Allah Akbar, aneh-aneh.
medication untuk mendeteksi diabetes, cardiovascular disease,
Aneh banget, astaga.
any other bodies, atau penyakit
Why
Alzheimer.
not?
Memang mereka menggunakan
Why not
microchip
just
untuk
microbot?
membantu. Just like that. They use microchip nowadays.
Sir,
But
why
it's
just
still
we
in
use
development.
microbot?
Masih dalam
Sir, why just
development.
Actually, there's like
Very
somebody
expensive.
microbot?
Dan
actually put
mahal.
like computer device
And also
microchip
microbot can help humans too. Sir.
to
Yeah.
Microbot.
Welcome to industry 500O.
Yeah.
4.0 I mean. So,
5.0.
there could be microchip in COVID-19 vaccines. Mungkin ada
Okay, what?
microchip. I give you explanation. Mungkin untuk orang-orang yang penting. If they put microchip to you, untuk apa? Kamu siapa? Okay, if they wanna put microchip to you. And B, there is no microchip in COVID-19 vaccine. So you decide which one is fact, or both are facts, or even myths. Alright? You try to
Oh my
Google it.
god.
It's easy to find
Otak
it in internet.
otak gue udah
1
pusing
minute.
gitu loh. Maksud
Time is up. Let's reveal. Can you put again your answer on the screen?
Why you aim or ref? What?
That's it. So you ready? I'm going to reveal the answer. So who is this? Put the answer on your scoreboard. Kids,
Ready?
don't put in the middle of the screen.
You know it, sir. I know it.
Just
Farah,
put it.
you put your answer here, Farah. Ready?
Ready?
Alright, I'm going to reveal. Okay. So
Come on.
the answer is
Yes.
so A is a myth, B is a fact.
Yes. B is the
Alright.
myth. B.
I'm gonna explain you the answer, but like usually I'm going to ask you first. Fact. Okay, I ask Kesia first because you are the right one here, and Agus.
Bukannya sebelum pelajaran ini Mr. Marco bilang vaksinnya ada microchip atau
Ya, tapi kan bisa aja gitu loh.
Could be.
Guys.
That's why do not get
Guys.
fooled by the consideration. Jangan dibodohi oleh consideration, even though it's fact. Okay, Kesia.
Why?
What's the reason?
why
Why you think this is a myth and this is a fact? Kesia.
Because
marah-marah
there
tadi?
is no evidence that can prove there's a microchip inside the vaccine. Even the vaccine is not here yet.
Alright, that's it. But
How
no
can you know
netizen-
there's a microchip in it?
netizen will always believe what they read in the internet. So if there is a hoax, like roaming around in the internet, they're going to believe it. Okay, I give Kesia 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
She want
That's it,
to
Kesia.
die.
Agus, what's the reason you got a correct answer? What's the reason you think there's no microchip is a fact?
Wait.
Upset.
Okay lang na. Nah.
I'm so much sad. Why I like in him?
So you just guess?
Nanti
Alright.
lah.
So that's it, guys. Even though, listen to me.
Go ya.
Even though there is microchip, but
Nanti mana go ya?
how it's so microchip is not cheap, guys. Okay, it's not cheap. And who the
Microchip is
hell
a chip.
are you? Who the hell are you? So they are going to track you. I mean, they put microchip so they can track you. And who are you? Are you president or minister? So they are going to plant you microchip.
Sir,
Are you
we
our
didn't
fan?
know.
For
We
example,
didn't know the
if
fact.
they plant microchip to me, what can they
Are
get?
you our fan?
They wanna get
Like,
LTC?
so you could track
They wanna
me.
like that.
They can get anything. Dia bisa menguasai dunia dan melawan Ender Dragon. Salah.
Beda server.
No, the
Beda
fact
server
it's only my opinion. But the fact,
Kebaikan
like,
main
like
Minecraft
what
aja.
Kesia told you before, so there's no evidence. There's no evidence. They think microchip because of the conspiracy theory. You get a point?
To go.
But yeah, it's
Thank you.
actually okay because people need to be critical also. Orang-orang harus punya critical thinking, like conspiracy theory thinker like that.
Well,
So,
if you want to,
Because
okay, just
kita tidak
promotion.
Government
If you
Kita
like
tahu apa yang
sometimes
sebenarnya
do
mereka
bad things.
lakukan.
conspiracy thing,
Yeah,
watch
sometimes
Nancy
they
Judge.
do bad things.
Watch
So we
watch
didn't
Nancy
know
Judge.
Yeah, yeah.
what are they
He's
do.
so good.
Don't worry, I'm gonna still
Love
give
her.
you points. 1, 2, 3, and Fajria 1.
Gila, salah. Gila,
Oke,
salah.
silakan.
Saya dapat
One,
poin
two,
loh. Bayangkan, saya salah.
Ini enak.
We learn not about the
I-
material, but
I
we learn
don't
about
need scar.
English. So if you give reasonable reason, no problem. I give.
Don't get score.
Shut up.
Oh, so 1.
Your mix sucks.
All right.
Sir, I didn't say something.
You didn't say something.
All right. Next consideration. Oh, what is this? So there are several types of vaccines. Oh yeah. Jadi ada 4 macam
my God.
vaksin. You see? The vaccine is virus. Whole virus, protein
Kalau
subunit,
misalnya kita
viral
semuanya
vector, and nucleic acid. Those I don't know any of them. Sama aku tidak tahu satu pun di antara mereka.
Mas.
But at least we know that there are 4 types of vaccine. Cara kerjanya saja yang
buat
berbeda.
apa ada 4 sih? Kenapa nggak
Alright.
mereka bekerja membuat satu vaksin yang sempurna.
Nah, that's
Kenapa mesti-
it. Let's see the statement.
Sir, why virus use English? Why virus use Indonesian?
Why virus use Indonesia?
Yeah, virus.
Huh?
They use Indonesian.
Virus cannot speak. Virus cannot speak, Farhan.
Damat.
What do you mean?
You are damat.
Oh, you mean I use bahasa Indonesia? I
No,
use bahasa
sir.
Indonesia.
Virus 1514.
Me.
He use Indonesia.
Because I'm explaining, I cannot explaining with English. You
No problem.
Because you are damat.
Farhan, this
you
material
cannot
is
explain.
not banana,
this is
apple,
not for English.
or vegetable
This is
material.
for experiment.
So it's okay. We
You
mix with bahasa
must
Indonesia. No problem.
I'm
This
gonna
is
make you.
not a simple
I'm gonna make you a meme. I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna
Even
make
though
you a
it's
meme.
a really hard material, we can
make
still
my
use
meme.
Indonesian
I'm gonna
because
make you a meme.
there
care.
is
I'm gonna
there
make
is
you a
no
meme.
rules that Sir Marco said to us that we need to use
gonna make
English
you a
only. So please shut up,
All right.
okay?
1 minute. Try to Google.
On Farhan.
So
Okay,
multiple companies, pay attention to the statement. Multiple companies are releasing several types of COVID vaccine. It means it's good. Berarti bagus. Kalau ada banyak
And what should
Ada
we
banyak-
search on
banyak-
Google?
perusahaan merilis beberapa tipe dari vaksin. Kan tadi ada 4 tipe tuh. Jadi ada 4 tipe vaksin dan juga ada beberapa perusahaan yang bekerja untuk merilis vaksin. Dan itu artinya bagus.
It's easy,
It means
sir.
it's good. It's good. It's good, okay?
Sir, it's easy.
Statement B.
I have watched it in
Now, listen
television,
to my
sir.
explanation first, Farah.
Sir,
B.
I was in
We have to
Mississippi.
choose both.
Bro, come on. I want
Wait.
to hear Mr. Marco.
Oh ya, we have to choose. Kita harus pilih both only the best type of vaccine and the best company as well. Jadi kita harus pilih di sini agar bagus. Kita harus pilih kedua-duanya. Company perusahaan yang terbaik. Jadi satu perusahaan yang terbaik tambah satu jenis vaksin yang terbaik. Kan tadi ada 4 vaksin tuh. Oke, jadi satu yang terbaik perusahaannya and one
So it's make
the best
vaccine. Just
type
one
of vaccine
the best.
dan satu virus terbaik. Itu adalah yang terbaik. So it's good. Oke? Sedangkan di sini lebih banyak lebih bagus.
Oh my god.
So you get the main point of these statements? Sudah mengerti?
COVID
Inti dari
vaccine
statement.
are prepared to be shipped at
We're gonna
More is
we're
better.
gonna choose
Pfizer plant
This is
on
more is
December
better.
13,
This is less is
2020,
better.
imported to Michigan.
Okay? This is more is better. But this one only one is better. You get the point? Okay?
Yes.
Wait,
1 minute to
wait.
use Google and I'm going to
But
reveal
sir,
you-
I'm confused. What should I search on Google?
Oh, I don't know.
You
You can
must
use
search
Google, but
something.
I don't give you the. I'm not
Wait,
gonna give
wait.
you the
Sir,
keyword.
who draw on the screen, bro?
Wait. Let me see the
Bro,
name.
bro, please.
It's Griffin.
Yeah, it's Griffin. It's totally.
No,
Why
it's,
me?
it's
Why
Farhan
me?
probably.
Not
Yeah,
me.
definitely.
I'm sorry,
Who
sorry.
is-
Why is
Who is
me?
He likes
Griffin?
to become impostor because last game he won, guys. He won our Among Us game. He's a good imposter. Okay, 20 seconds left. You can use your own logic, or you can use Google. But googling this probably is gonna be not easy. It's not gonna be easy.
I thinking like this. I thinking like this. FM. I don't care about anything, but I think this is right. If this is not right, I don't care. Look at that, you muffin head.
Time is up,
You
guys.
muffin.
Okay, now answer.
Sir, can you? Oh my
In
God!
1
Look,
minute.
look what?
Decide
Wait,
which one is
wait.
fake.
I
Sorry,
need to
which one is
think.
fact? Which one is myth?
Sir,
1 minute to
Farha
decide.
gambar di layarku, Sir.
Yo, do not
So I think
draw.
I'm
I
gonna
think
use
what-
B, sir. I'm gonna
I'm gonna-
use B.
I'm gonna what?
Just wait, bro. What
I'm
the?
gonna use B. No. But I have what?
What?
But I'm already
Statement A.
watching TV that
More is
I
good.
have
Statement B.
sir.
Only one.
I had
Both
watched
company and vaccine type is better.
Sir, I have watched it in TV, sir, and he say the corona vaccine is beside by the 4 types, and it's good to use all of them.
Okay, so
I
choose.
had already watched
Put
it.
your statement. Sorry, answer, and put which one do you choose? Here.
A, sir, A is real.
A is
A is real. Real.
myth or fact?
Fact.
Fact. B is
Fakta.
B is myth. Like that. All right. Let's reveal the
I have already
answer.
watched it.
But no,
I have already watched it in TV.
Yes, that's what I thought.
All right. I think all of you are correct.
Hooray.
Only Agus.
Nah.
Agus,
Oh,
you
Agus.
did an oopsie here.
Agus
And
itu.
Fajria. Fajria
Oh, yeah,
say
that's it.
both
Fajria.
fact.
Yes,
So
I'm
to make it
right,
faster,
sir. I'm right.
just listen to my explanation, guys. Okay.
Yes, I'm right.
So why we need multiple companies to produce the vaccines? So we can produce million or trillion vaccines at once.
Yes,
So all of the world,
because
all of the people in the world can be vaccinated as soon as possible. And why we need several types of vaccine? Because actually it's good. Because
Oh
I
my
don't know,
God,
probably
sir.
some of the virus are different. So the treatment is gonna be
oh my
different also.
God,
Like we know,
you say
we have some
in the TV, sir.
we have some
TV says just like
COVID-19
you.
variants already now. And this
Yes.
is totally myth.
You say just like in TV,
Why?
sir.
I cannot you wait.
You say just like in TV.
Wait, one,
I have already watched it in TV.
1, 2.
I'm
Just
right.
wait.
Fajria,
I
Fajria,
will
wait.
San Marco.
Why you answer
Oh.
both are facts? This one. Why did you think this is
Because
a fact?
because oh because I think it's we need to choose the best one, and then we need to make it many. So that's in my brain.
This is your brain. I give you 2 for that. Okay, anyone wanna add something? Ada yang ingin menambahkan sesuatu?
Mister me,
Okay,
Mister
Farah,
me.
why? What do you wanna add?
Okay, in TV say if so many vaccine if so many companies releasing several
Or
of
releasing a
types,
vaccine?
releasing the vaccine, it's that can be used to the coronavirus is good because so many people in the world need the vaccine, and so many people is allergic to one type of vaccine. So I agree
That's a
about
fact also.
that type of vaccine.
There will be some side
because
effects if you get the
Yes,
vaccine.
because
I
there
just
are
want
many
to say that
people that
New high
allergic
score.
about to one type vaccine.
Yeah. Okay, good job, Farah. Kesha, wanna add something?
okay, I just want to add, like, some people, of course, had allergic to the
Yeah, that's what I
that had
want
in the vaccine.
to
We don't know. Maybe we have some like allergies to the medicine, and not all people can get that. So it's good there are multi-type kind of vaccine, so we can get the one that don't have the things that we're allergic in it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sir.
What about Agus? Sorry, Dimas.
Nah, I'm just gonna say like Kesha. I thinking about that. But I didn't want to say because Farha every single time saying something. I didn't want to cut his mouth.
New high score.
This is only game. Okay?
Yeah, I
English
know.
Don't fight. Okay. Next consideration. This is the last consideration, I think.
I don't know.
Okay.
Jarak mirip.
Side effects are common in vaccine. Efek samping itu biasa dalam vaksin apapun.
Sir Griffin is
Okay. Let's see the statements. A. COVID vaccines are safe because there are no side effects. Okay? So COVID-19 safe because there are no side effects. B. COVID vaccines are not safe. So are not safe because there are side effects. Karena ada beberapa efek samping. That's why it's not safe. So 1 minute to find.
Oh my
This
god,
time.
this is hard.
3, 2,
COVID
1,
vaccine
go.
are safe
Easy,
because
Just
Because
the
I
keyword.
sir,
The keyword is side effects
Sir,
and COVID. Just like that.
all of this,
You're gonna find a lot of facts.
sir, all of
In
this
the internet.
material is easy, sir. Because I have already watched in TV.
Oh yeah, that's
I have
it.
to see.
Just
I
just
have
answer
to
it.
see coronavirus
Just
news.
answer.
I didn't know, but I will say like that.
Farah, use blue. Don't use red because your scoreboard is red. Try to use blue or yellow. 20 seconds left. Answer in 1 minute.
Astaga, nggak gitu. Jawabnya nggak sebesar
Hey,
itu.
sir, I'm gonna choose A. I'm gonna choose A. Because in TV, they said, because in TV,
So A
they
is
say,
fact.
don't believe
Let me help
at-
you. A is fact.
Yes, A.
Okay.
Because
And B
in
is
TV,
myth.
yes, because in TV, they are saying,
Explain
don't
later.
believe at the internet
Don't
that
answer now,
the
okay?
COVID-19 vaccine is a
Don't answer now.
side effect.
Farha.
Farha, explain later.
Don't believe it.
You just
Explain later.
put your
Yes. I choose A.
which one do you choose?
Okay, hear me out.
Myth
Explain
or
later when
So,
Mr.
myth or
Marco
fact?
later reveals the answer. Okay.
yeah, that's a problem if you are late in the class. So don't be late later. Okay, ready? I'm going to
Understand?
reveal the answer now.
FM, pasti lah udah jelas.
Alright. So the answer is
What?
A is myth and B is
Hah?
what? Myth?
What?
Kebalik itu sir anjir.
Myth and fact.
Wait,
Myth.
COVID vaccine are
All
not
of
safe.
them is myth.
No, both are myths, guys. Both are
What?
myths.
Wait, what?
Kedua-duanya
Fajar ya, how
adalah
you
mitos.
can do that?
Sir, okay, hear me out. Why do I think B is a fact? Because
Sir,
Both
in
are
TV,
myth. Keduanya
you
mitos.
could
So this is wrong.
you could
Oh yeah, yeah.
also
Myth,
experience fever,
and myth.
chills, tiredness, and headache after you get the vaccine.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So you wanna say something, Fazria? Why did you think both are myth? Jadi keduanya mitos. kan?
Because COVID-19 vaccines are safe, but there are still side effects.
Side effects, okay. And
So
COVID vaccine are not safe because
myth.
there are side effects. COVID vaccine are safe because there are no side effects. Yeah, both are myth. Actually, guys, these are almost the same, guys. I just messed up the sentence. Okay, it's like that. And wait a minute.
my brain is not working for a
Karena
minute.
dia
Oh.
bilang there are
Wait,
no
sir.
side effect.
Sir,
I want to say like FM because there's no what the hell.
Both are wrong.
sir.
Yes. The vaccine is safe, but they will give you like some side effects. The common one, like
it's both
a
myth.
pain in
Yeah.
your arm or fevers.
Yeah, but
Headache.
it's still say it's not gonna kill you. The side effects not gonna kill you.
Wait, I
Wait,
have a
wait.
dream about this.
Ini Farha jarinya
Yeah,
It is
One.
New
nggak
high score.
berlayar loh, astaga.
Alright, anyone wanna add something?
Dari tadi kerjanya gini.
No one?
Mr. Me.
Okay, Farah. Answer.
Sebangga. What the?
I'm sir.
Ini yang kenapa gua nggak mau kerja
I tell A is fact.
kelas
I tell A is fact because I talk the TV says if coronavirus is done, there's no the side effect because it's a vaccine. There is no side effect.
Because it's It's a vaccine. So there's no side
There's
effect. No.
still like
There will be.
Don't believe.
There will be.
effect.
There will still. Oh, wait. I was wrong. It's supposed to be red, guys. Both of these.
Because I explained something.
Yeah.
30 menit lah.
What do you want to add?
Because I explained it.
So what do you want to add, Kesha? Are we going to move to next?
In guys, in Makassar,
No, it's just
in
like
Makassar,
like I told you.
All right, next. Oh, this is the
The
last one,
vaccine is
guys.
safe,
Consideration.
but
Mask
it can give us.
can prevent COVID-19 infection. You know it already, right?
yes,
Mask
I know.
can prevent COVID-19 infection. So, statement A. After vaccination, we finally do not need to wear mask anymore. B. After vaccination, okay, COVID-19 vaccination, we still need to wear mask, even though we already have the antibody. Yo, don't do
Griffin,
that.
please stop
That's
it. Get
bad.
some help.
Me.
Okay, but I give you
Get some help.
minus 1 diamond if you do that again, okay? So you're gonna get 0
Oh
diamond.
my God, why you? No, sir, it's not me. Oh my
All right.
God.
Your name's
1 minute.
appear, dude.
Try to
Your
find in
name
internet
appear on the
Do
screen.
we still
dude.
need to wear
Don't try
mask
to lie.
after vaccination?
It's not
If
me.
you find the answer,
It's not
you're gonna
me.
be able to answer this correctly. 1 minute, go.
Oh, bro!
I'm sorry, it's not me.
It's not you. Your name appear when you write something on the screen, Farah.
Oh yeah, it's people, but that's not. Oh my God.
30 seconds left.
Okay.
Do we still need to wear mask
Tanpa
after vaccination?
Google
Oh,
Club.
no.
Tanpa Google Club.
I choose B, sir. B.
No, you don't choose A or B. You put which one do you choose? I mean, A is F or M, fact or myth, or B fact or myth, and you put here on your scoreboard F if you think A is fact, and M if you think if B is a myth. Like that, Farah. You get a point? Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, I already
decide.
got my answer.
Go.
God, sir, get minus. Look at that. Ya hapus loh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Farah. Life is hard, Farah.
No, sir.
So
Bye.
I'm gonna give you what, minus 10 points.
No, sir. You say
I
me.
cannot tolerate
Think
But
that.
sir,
your deed
you
anymore.
say me to do that. Sir, you say me
But
to do
not
that.
in your screen, in your scoreboard. Look at what me and Kaja do.
In your scoreboard,
Put in your scoreboard.
Are you div?
Alright.
Aduh, wah, sir. Oh my God. Why you
Dimas,
do
you
it
have
to
to choose something.
me?
Why
I
did you
already
piss
One.
done
off?
that because of
You're the one
Farah.
1 minute.
You're the one who needs to piss off because of you. You're too annoying. Sir said to put your answer in the scoreboard.
Yeah, put your. I mean, put
Not in the
Myth or
screen.
fact?
Left.
left.
Kalau
A,
misalnya kelas
If I'm
9
side.
that, if I'm with Farah right now, I would.
Kalau misalnya dari dulu gak
So,
ada
Farah.
Farah.
A, myth or fact, according to your opinion? Is A myth or fact, according to your opinion?
Farah left.
Farah.
Farah left.
Alright. Done?
I think
Alfie,
I'm gonna
you
say
haven't-
like that.
Put anything. Alfie. And also Zika.
Authentication. Yeah. I'm wrong. Turut.
Alright, time is up.
Lagunya
Life's hard. Life's hard.
Alright.
I got my explanation to do. Can you please make me to explain it first?
So, this is the answer.
Yeah,
So
Mama
A
Sita.
is myth.
I already know.
Sir, can I explain? Can I explain? I want to
Yeah,
explain.
yeah. Kesha.
Me
Go.
too.
Okay,
Why do we still need to use mask?
vaccination does not provide instant immunity.
Oh yeah. Makes
It
sense.
it required two weeks or 2 doses administered
2 weeks.
weeks
Yeah, yeah.
apart, depending
say
on
1
the
month.
vaccine. It can take 4 to 6 weeks from initial dosing to
4 to 6
achieve
weeks?
immunity
Almost too
and
much.
protection levels comparable to those in clinical trials. During this time, it is still possible to contract an infection and fall ill.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait, only 4. No problem. Anybody wants to add something? I think it's
I
pretty
want
clear
to
already.
answer.
Alright, Dimas.
Nah. My answer is same like Keisha, but different.
I think that after vaccination, we still need to wear masks because not
Because,
everyone already
vaccination is for your immune.
have vaccine, so
Oh yeah.
maybe it's just us or
Clear the
our
COVID.
family.
It's just for immune.
It's not all
That's
of
why
the people that was
actually there is no evidence that even though we get vaccinated, we probably can still infect others with COVID-19.
Yeah.
We are immune to
Yeah.
COVID-19, but there is no evidence
We
that
can
we don't. I mean, we cannot infect other people yet. That's
Yeah.
why it's better to wear mask. Or like Keisha told before,
It
Like
takes
Keisha said
us like
before,
some weeks to
yeah,
have
2
our
months,
immune back.
6 weeks,
Girl,
6
weeks.
weeks, 6 weeks. The process to get immunity. So we still need to wear mask. All right. So 9 is easy. Okay, you just choose directly 1 minute
How?
without any
how-
research in the internet. Okay, this is fast
Okay.
game. So just use your logic. Gunakan logika kalian. So I read you
We can.
the statement. COVID vaccine can give you headache and even joint pain. Jadi vaksinnya COVID bisa memberikan kalian sakit kepala dan juga sakit sendi. Oke, mitos atau fakta? According to your opinion.
I already give you my answer in my
Yeah, if
course
you
book.
read some articles already before, probably they have told you about this. They have stated about it. So myth or fact? So 2 points
I think
for
myth.
correct one, 1 point for wrong. If you are wrong.
I think myth. I don't
1
think
minute.
it's fact.
F
But if you
for
allergic,
F
kalau
for
kok
fact.
alergi, ya mungkin bisa. Tapi kalau misalnya nggak alergi, seharusnya sih nggak bisa ya.
Alright, I think I'm
Itu malah bisa.
yeah.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Let's see.
Everyone fact and I myth alone.
Let's see Miss City. Just listen to Miss City. Fact or myth? Oh, that's a fact, guys. Fakta. Jadi siap-siap saja, guys. If you wanna get COVID-19 vaccine, headache, you're gonna get. Actually, there are a lot of them.
Nothing.
Ada
can
banyak
just gonna
side
be
effect-nya.
healthy and
But
be
it's-
I
healthy.
think they get
It's not legal.
headache and joint pain because they are scared to get vaccine, so they get headache and joint pain.
It's like a common side effect
Aja, udah
Yes,
lah.
if you're
common side
getting
effect.
another vaccine.
You can actually get these side effects.
You can
when
actually
you
get
other
that
medicine,
when you
not only
do
the vaccine.
even not it's not COVID vaccine. You can get that also.
Wal, coba
It's
kasih
common.
contoh Wal kayak gitu.
But the picture is just too dramatic.
You
Gambarnya hanya dramatis saja. 1, 2.
New high score.
Tolonglah ya sama ada belum diamond.
Alright, next.
Hai Kiko. Kiko enak tahu nggak janda.
So women are afraid to be vaccinated because there is a slight chance of the side effect of vaccine of the COVID-19 vaccine might bisa saja might lead a woman to infertility, kemandulan. So you cannot have kids. So do you think this is a myth or fact? 1 menit. Don't worry, if you are
Your butt.
wrong, no problem. because you don't have time to find the answer in
Gue
Google, right?
tuh kalau misalnya lihat berita tuh pasti nggak percaya gitu loh. Mau berita apapun pasti gue nggak percaya.
Now this is still the discussion of side effect. So if you read some articles about side effect,
Mitos.
Oke, saja bakal.
yeah, answer. Oh yeah, that's it. So,
Kita juga belum tahu sih. Kita juga belum tahu soalnya kan buat kita belum tahu di dalam situ itu ada apa.
Alright.
Sholat lah.
Ibu-ibu jangan bikin hoax. So that's totally a hoax. This is a hoax. Okay?
Belum masuk grup keluarga ya kan?
Myth. So, Keisha, 1, 2, Andrea, 1, 2, Agus, 1, 2.
Sholat
So you
One,
give
two.
score to Farhan, not me.
Oh sorry. 1, 2.
How Keisha
Alright,
beat
next.
me? Oke Keisha, gua hormat sama lu.
Yeah,
aku
guys.
Bang Jago.
I don't know. The hoax probably talking about a protein that can kill cells
Because
in your
like
rahim,
this,
guys. I just like
if
that,
you
but
got
it's
infertility.
hoax.
If you can get infertility, it may because your body immune is kind of weak, so you cannot take the vaccine. So it will give you side effects to get infertility.
If your immune, if your
Yeah, no.
immune is low, get vaccine because
No, it's a fact
from the
because an expert
Okay, what the fuck?
have told that the vaccine is going to trigger your antibody, but your antibody is not going to kill the cell in your womb.
bro.
In your
The
womb or whatever it is.
If the vaccine
Womb. Yeah, I know what is
doing
womb,
that,
but
the
you
all
know,
the
Or-
woman doesn't want to
Not
doesn't
womb,
want to
actually,
get vaccine.
but your that's it, guys. Okay.
I
So
won't
I'm not a
get
doctor,
a
guys.
vaccine not because I'm scared to get infertility. I'm
Okay.
scared because I'm gonna get the pain.
Yeah, the pain. Yeah, that's one of the side effects.
Shoo, go away.
So COVID-19 is a result of a genetic manipulation. You know genetic manipulation? It's one of that we are afraid of. Technology advancement that we are afraid of. Kecanggihan teknologi yang kita takuti that we learn in what lesson? I forgot about it. Alright. Do you think
Gurunya
it's a
aja
myth or
lupa.
fact? Apakah itu rekayasa genetika? Hasil rekayasa genetika? Vaksinnya? Or
Apa? Covid
Nah,
vaksinnya sadar
mitos atau
genetik.
fakta? Myth or fact?
Hah? What? What the COVID vaccine is a result of genetic manipulation. Oh my God, this is
Jadi manipulasi genetika, guys. Manipulasi genetika is like you modify the organism. Kalian memodifikasi, mengubah-ubah
yang enggak dong.
struktur
Yang enggak dong.
organismenya, DNA-nya, and etc.
Yang
Contoh,
maksudnya
ayam, chicken could grow faster.
Okay, for example,
Like that.
in DNA, like our DNA before the vaccine is O. After we get the vaccine, the COVID,
bisa astaga.
So all of you,
our blood type will change.
alright.
Enggak,
Eh,
siapa yang
maybe.
mikir kayak
Time's up,
gitu?
guys.
Sumpah siapa yang mikir
I'm going to
gitu?
reveal the answer, okay? So
Ini sampai
Miss
fakta.
Miss Siti
Ini sampai fakta gue
choose-
punya.
Okay, that's a fact, guys. Fakta.
What the
Tetot. Purple, you get one.
What?
Kesha, you didn't say something.
I say myth. I
Myth.
say myth.
Yeah.
Only one.
Earlier she said me.
Uh,
One.
well, at least my score
Alright,
is
guys.
higher than Dimas.
The vaccine is also a genetic manipulation. Okay? Because they change
pakai vaksin, gak usah
the
pakai
structure of DNA or whatever it is of the virus.
Oh yeah,
So the virus
I just
becomes
remember.
weak.
You will lose your
Okay.
sense of taste
And there is
smell.
nothing wrong with genetic manipulation if it's not endanger our
Raffi, I
race.
just remember. I just remember if you get
Genetik
COVID, you
manipulasinya
will
tidak
lose
membahayakan
your
manusia.
sense of smelling and tasting. You lose that.
Really?
So yeah.
Spider-Man nggak sih?
Alright, next.
So you cannot probably taste
So,
anything.
COVID vaccine were developed fast to boost world economy. Nah, ini salah satu alasan. Mitos atau fakta? COVID dibuat so the economy, ekonomi dunia is going to stonks. Kan sekarang lagi jatuh, falling down. They just wanna make it stonks again. I don't know.
Mana ada Photoshop, Zoom naik, Netflix naik,
That's it.
Amazon
Okay,
naik.
myth or fact? Mitos atau fakta? 1 minute.
COVID vaccine we redevelop fast to boost work. Yang
Alright,
lainnya,
so,
udah.
Agus just care about money, doesn't care about humanity. No problem, Agus.
Ya, he just care about money, he doesn't care.
Oh guys, like
You're gonna have
sometimes,
problem
sometimes
later in-
money is right. Sometimes money is right.
Alam baka, Agus. Okay?
Ya,
If you just
kapan
care
uang
about money,
bener?
not care about humanity. Alright, let's reveal.
Maybe
Let's reveal
he's alright.
the answer.
We don't know.
Wal, mantap Wal. Gunakan uangmu untuk jadi psikopat. Pintar.
Alright. So that's
Kalau
a
manusia
fact.
pintar di dunia.
Okay? Fakta. So, listen to my explanation. Dengar penjelasannya Sir Marco dulu. Nah,
This is science.
salah satu, okay, one of the reasons they
Psikopat, sumpah.
research
Sumpah
the
dunia
vaccine
itu
so fast just to boost the economy up again.
Okay,
Because-
so the thing that we question, the
Karena-
question mark here is
If the
why?
economy is falling down, kalau ekonominya
Excuse me.
turun terus menerus, kita akan mati bukan
Girl.
karena. Alright.
Oh my god.
Can you listen my voice?
We came to
So-
LTC class Dimas sucks.
So if the economy is falling down, we're gonna die not because of COVID-19.
Look at the group
We're
chat.
gonna
Look
die
what
of
Farhan-
starvation.
what Farhan
That's
doing.
why economy is also important, ladies and gentlemen. Buat apa kita hidup kalau ekonominya menurun, orang-orang pengangguran semua? We're gonna die just starvation, just by starvation. Not even because of the virus.
We still can working by online.
Yeah, but it's dangerous, guys. If economy is
Nice.
It isn't working.
So it doesn't mean to save our life. What?
so, nothing's wrong actually with this. Tidak ada yang salah dengan ini. That's it. The main point. Okay? I think that's enough for today, guys. Oh, there is another one. Okay, just finish it. So,
Who
COVID vaccine is a
is drawing on the
mandatory.
screen?
Oh yeah, this is the last one. COVID vaccine is a mandatory. Mandatory means kewajiban. Jadi keharusan. Do you agree with that? Is this a myth or
Iya
fact?
sih.
Apakah ini
What is
mitos atau fakta?
mandatory? What is mandatory?
Mandatory is like
Ranking.
keharusan. You have to, you must take it. Is it not
Actually,
Dimas
it's our
More like your sucks.
mandatory? 1 minute.
it just depend on the person.
Alright,
Who's
I
this?
think that's it.
Who is
So fact,
Pro Anday?
fact. How about you, Kesha?
I think this is
Is this
ini
Why
kayak
is-
Farha deh.
apa
Ini
ini
kayak
fakta
Farha
atau
deh.
mitos?
Ini kayak
ini,
Farha
ini,
deh.
ini kayaknya Farha dia mencoba membodohi kami.
Iya.
Hah? Why?
Yeah, I think it's.
I think
Someone join and say, where's Farha?
Yeah,
Udah lah,
I think
udah
it's fine.
tahu.
Alright. So what's your
Alright.
answer?
It doesn't really-
Myth or fact?
Hah? Masuknya
What's your
udah.
answer?
Itu fear.
Oh my god.
Fear.
yes.
I think it's
Fact.
it's
Fact.
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 Wait.
Vari.
Kalau fakta, if it's a fact, berarti semua orang diharuskan. Alright, let's see.
Gak gitu sih.
Oh yes, I'm right because I just say it depends. So it's a myth,
Depends.
right, sir?
Yeah.
Depends.
Even though it's important,
I'm
but
right.
it depends on you.
Punten
Jadi,
siapa ini? Mohon maaf.
kalau
Anda yang
kalian,
siapa?
if you don't want to get vaccinated,
Maaf,
yeah, it's up to
Anda
you.
siapa?
It's up to you, ladies and
Hey,
gentlemen.
Pro Anjay.
Pemerintah tidak akan
Mohon
memaksa.
maaf, Anda siapa? Malah nanya kita. Lah, Anda
Yes,
siapa join di sini?
So yeah, it's up to you. You want to take the vaccine or not?
Excuse me?
It's up to you. Okay? Because salah satu rule dari vaccination tidak ada paksaan. Kalau aku tidak salah ya, if I'm mistaken, vaksin yang dipaksakan it's not effective. Tidak efektif artinya dari sisi kemanusiaan, bro. So it's actually it depends on you. You want to get vaccinated or not? It depends on you.
Gua nggak mau jadi Titan, fix.
So this is the last discussion.
Gua tunggu
of
satu
our
negara,
lesson today.
menjadi
Yeah, hopefully you
ambil
can learn
vaksin
something new
baru.
from our discussion today. See you on next meeting.